If you live in New York and plan to fly within the US or enter certain federal buildings without carrying a passport, you'll want a real ID. It's a DMV-issued driver license, learner permit, or non-driver ID that meets federal security standards. First, decide which ID is best for you. A standard license works for driving, but won't get you on a domestic flight without a passport. A real ID works for both. An enhanced ID does everything a real ID does and also lets you cross into Canada, Mexico, or some Caribbean countries by land or sea without a passport. But it costs a bit more. Before heading to the DMV, use the New York DMV's online document guide. It gives you a custom checklist based on your situation. Things like proof of social security, proof of residency, and proof of identity. That could include a utility bill, social security card, certified birth certificate, or marriage certificate. Everything must be current, and copies need to be certified if applicable. You can even have your application and documents pre-screened online. This can save you a second trip to the DMV by confirming ahead of time that your paperwork is good to go. Once approved, you'll get instructions and can book an appointment at a participating location. When you visit the DMV, bring your documents, have your photo taken, and submit your application. They'll give you a temporary license or ID on the spot, and your real ID will arrive in the mail in about 2 weeks. There's no extra charge for a real ID beyond the usual renewal or license fees. An enhanced ID costs $30 more on top of that.